up, guys? Welcome back for another weekly app review and a view into Huck's world. And today we have a few simple apps for you. Before we get started, we just want to say that last week we talked about we're being challenged to do something different other than just watch faces. So we're going to try to mix it up a little bit. But if you have any ideas as to how you think I should do the weekly app review, then leave your thoughts down in the description below. And we'll definitely take a look at it so therefore we can bring better content and information and videos so far as Android Wear weekly app review is concerned. Okay, with that being said, I hope you guys are having a happy 4th. Okay, and let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first app that we're going to review is called Alarm for Android Wear. And it is just that it's an alarm. It's nothing big, nothing fancy, very simple. Let's go ahead and set one. But before we set one, let's go ahead and take a look at the fact that you can configure this. So if you want to set the snooze or you don't want it to delay in 3 minutes, then you can set it to whatever you want to set it to. Okay, so just tap on here. If you don't want it, it turns gray. That's it. So let's go ahead. Let's set an alarm. Okay, so the way we set this is that you scroll up on the hour. You tap on it if that's the one you want. Got to tap on it because if you don't tap on it, it's going to stay exactly where it was when you got to this place of setting. So now you go to the next one. If you want this to be a one-time event, then don't hit anything else. Just hit one-time event and it's going to go off for today. Now let's say you wanted to set days. Then go ahead and tap the days that you want to set. Don't hit one time. And of course, weekly, this will go off week after week after week at the same time. Okay, which is pretty cool. So we go to the next one. Now, here's where it gets good. Now, if I don't want it to go to the mobile or mobile and Android Wear, then I can set it to wherever I want it to be. Of course, you see I got it set for Wear only because I think I'm going to use this as a reminder for me when to go to lunch. Okay, so once you're done with that, you go back here. Now you can set the pattern where it vibrates in some unique patterns. So check that out, of course, and then you can set the event. Okay, now you go out. It's going to show you that it is set, which is the one at the bottom. The one at the top is already preset. Okay, and it lets you know the days, whether it's going to the phone and Android Wear or just Android Wear the watch. And that's it. And you just wait for it to go off. Okay, and once it goes off, you can, of course, dismiss it or snooze it if you like, which I thought was pretty cool. Okay, so now let's say that you're through with that event and you don't want to have the alarm go off on your watch like that anymore. Now you just don't tap the X like it would seem like you could do. You have to long press and it takes it away. That's it. That's all. Again, this app is called Alarm for Android Wear. It's pretty cool. All the watch faces that I'm going to be reviewing you can find on the Google Play Store. Okay, guys, the next app is called 15 Puzzle. Now, 15 Puzzle is a game we used to play as a kid. We used to get it out the cereal box. That may be telling my age, but if you remember this, you'll know what I'm talking about. Now, it's a fun game, so if you're at the airport waiting for your flight, or you're at the bus station, or you're at work at lunch, this will probably get you through the moment, okay? Now, in order to work this, all you do is just tap, and it'll go to that empty spot. You can move it around to get to wherever you want to get that number 1, 2, and line them up, get to the end of the game, and that's it. But you can set the grid too. You can also shuffle it around a little bit, try to get it a little bit close to where you want it to be so far as completion, and then you can set the size. So if you want it bigger, just tap it, and let's go back, and this is how it looks. Okay, again, this is called 15 Puzzle, old school app. I'm loving it. Okay, guys, last but not least, a watch face. We couldn't get out of here without doing at least one watch face, and it's called Individuation. Okay, a very unique watch face. I like the detailing of this. A very casual looking watch face at that. Now, you can't customize the theme color. You only get 3 in all. You get this rainbow color, you get a black, you get a white. That's it. Now, you also have these dials in which you can customize. So if you want the temperature, you want your step count up there, then you can customize it. The only downside to this is that you cannot, it's not an interactive watch face. And I wish that I can tap into that function to check out my steps, my heart rate. But again, it is what it is. Now you can customize the color of the hour and the minute hand, and if you look right here, you have a slight animation so far as the second hand is concerned, which makes this quite a unique looking watch face. Okay, alright guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please go ahead, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. And as always guys, I will see you again at the next video. Take care.